Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. Today I'm going to talk about these brake rotors. What I have here is a one-piece, you can tell by one-piece design, and a two-piece with a floating hat, as they call it. This is by our Racing, working with Girodisc, and this is a BREMBO OEM rotor with 100,000 miles on there. If you can tell, the curved slots are going away, but these are very fresh. And the reason I'm replacing these is because, well, it's at 100,000 miles, OEM miles on OEM rotors. This is my first time ever replacing them. So here's a comparison. You can tell that there's a lip. These are the old ones, but you know what? Who cares about the old ones? Let's look at the new ones. I don't think there will be any other video online of these brake rotors this close. This is an up and close personal of these rotors. Look at this design, this two-piece design. It's so cool. Everything's already pre-assembled by the time it gets to you. For me, it got sent directly to me here in Germany by Girodisc in association with RR Racing, as you can see. I'm gonna do multiple things with this. We're going to weigh these, and then we're gonna do a performance test. So you already got the visuals. Now we're gonna do the physical specs. So let's weigh them. I got myself a little cool scale here. All right, let's see. Let's see what it weighs at. 24.2 pounds. Wow, okay. All right, 24.2 pounds. Not bad, not bad. And let's go for the old ones. Oh man, just by listening, this is actually heavier. Let's see. I'm gonna say this is 33 pounds. Oh man, 30.4 pounds. These old ones. Look at the design of these. Yeah, BREMBOs, OEM. 30.4 pounds. Wow. So 24.2 to 30.4. Wow, what a difference. Okay, so putting these on the sideline. Now that we got the weight out of the way, let's talk about design. Again, there's one piece, there's two piece. So the benefit of two piece is that with all the more air channels, which is these little holes, it can cool down faster. But also my minimum thickness on this is probably coming out, but everything's just diminished. Sorry guys, I'm just taking too long admiring at this work of art right here. It looks so cool. Leave a thumbs up on the video if you think these are kind of cool. Now that we got the weight, we got the physical specs, we got the looks of it, the visuals, now it's time to install it. We're gonna install them and then we're gonna do some road tests. And we are here. So the goal, right? The goal is to move. I'm gonna go all the way to 60 miles an hour, hit that red sign right there. I'm gonna initiate braking, and then it should come all the way around here. And then my friend Jesus here is going to essentially mark it with a plank of wood. We're gonna do this trial 5 times, and then we're gonna also get a thermometer reading of the brake rotors to see if it's actually cooled and how much heat it's gonna retain from all this stopping. So essentially, we're comparing braking power, thermometer or temperature of the rotors, and the cooling factor, and also the brake fade. First off, we need to mark these things. So this is number 1, number 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm gonna have a 5th marker, and that's gonna be the 5 runs. All right. First one is the first plank. Okay, and let's do this. I'll be right back. Okay, I just got out the car. Now I'm walking to the markers, and I gotta say, there were some instances where I couldn't hit 60 miles an hour. I hit 55 and I stopped, or 57. But you know, but anyways, here we go. So that right there is our 5th run. So where's number 1? Number 1 was right here. Number 2 is right there. Number 3 is actually right there, and number 4 is right there. So this right here is the, so again, we came from that red sign, hit 60 by that time, begin braking, and this is the results. This is about what, 9 feet apart, probably about 9 feet apart. This is right here, the stock OEM LEXUS Rotors by BREMBO. Number 3. Now, so for this one, you know, there's an error here. I think I was going about 55. For purposes of knowing where we stopped for this next one, when I do have the Girodiscs from RR Racing, or RR Racing competition rotors from Girodisc, it's going to be that right there. I'm going to use that as a landmark. That way I can come back and mark the same areas. All right, so next step, I'm gonna go install these rotors, and then I'm going to do this again. Should be fun. And we're back to this long strip. Got my car here, and you can tell that the brakes are finally bedded in. Pretty good, nice blue tint. We're gonna do the same thing as we did yesterday, because I installed it yesterday. We're going to go from that stop sign right there and hit 60 miles an hour at that point, and then begin braking, and then we should see where we're at. I am expecting that I can do a lot more brake sessions, braking, versus how short of a distance I can brake. But that's because it probably, with new rotors, it's probably better with heat dissipation. With something that's too hot, you can't really brake, but we're hoping that once we measure temperatures, it's lower than the OEM rotors. that to be like that much shorter. Damn. Wow, what a run. Holy crap. Okay, so if I remember correctly, like us based off that berm right there, that berm, we were right about here, really, right about here. Right? We're right about here, yeah? What'd you say? So we're right about here, but look at where the other ones are. That's at least 20 feet, at least 20 feet. Okay, to demonstrate how far, I got a 9-foot ruler. Okay, go all the way over there. All right, stop right there. Okay. All right, I'm gonna come to you, stay right there. We're spinning around. Wow, I think this is, wow, this is at 18 right now. Okay, this is 18. Okay, now you spin around. Wow, we're at 27. 27 feet. Jeez, and this is the fourth one. This is the first one. So this is the first one right here. The berm right there, that's about 30 feet. Man, second and third one were on top of each other. And then last and final piece was that. Okay. Let's see the distance from all of that. From there, fourth one to the second and third, we are at 9 feet. Let's just say 10. Let's just say this 10. But overall, I did mess up on the fourth run and the last one. The last one's right here. So I started braking at 55, but hey, give or take, it's still pretty good. And the fourth one, I think I messed up by... So there's a car coming, so it's hard to go to 60. So I should have waited. But other than that, right now I am seeing very positive results, as you can see. And I am a believer, hold on. So far, I'm seeing positive results from switching to a 2-piece rotor, which are the RR Racing made by Girodisc. But overall, what I'm trying to say is that brake fade is probably better. I still got to review the numbers for the temperatures, but overall, less brake fade. I was able to stop a lot more grip after bettering those brakes. It definitely braked a lot better, as you can see. And overall, I'm very happy with this purchase. Yesterday's highest temperature was about 218, 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Today it was about 270, would you say? About 230, 270? Yeah. 230, 270. But overall, it's still braking a lot earlier with this berm right here as the little marker. Because yesterday it was over here, like at least 30 feet from here. So, and only things that I changed, the only control factor that I changed were the brake rotors. I kept the same brake endless pads. endless MX-72 pads and kept all suspension, tires, all the same. All I did was change out the brake rotors. I did mess up number 4 because there was a car coming down this road and it was behind me where I started at 0 miles per hour. I used to have a running start, but it's okay. But overall, this is a good purchase. I think it's very good to have these 2-piece rotors made by RR Racing. As you can see, it's very effective. And I just want to thank my friend for helping me tape. But please leave a like and a thumbs up, leave a comment questions, whatever you have about the experiment that I did. Now I did do 5 runs because I knew there'll be some errors like number 4 and number 5. So hey, 5 times, get the average. It's still better than the first run with the OEM rotors. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hey, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.